Hi, this is Bill Feaver. This is the 30-day content challenge, day 28, the time management tip. My tip for today is that I list every morning all the things I have to do for the day in a to-do list. Then I go through as I complete each task, I mark it off the list. As if I get when I get through the day, then I move the completed uncompleted task to the next day, and then the next morning I make my new list, and I prioritize the items on the list as which is most important through the least important, and each day uh, do that task. You can do that. I've always done it on a piece in a journal or on my schedule, but or my day timer at the time. Now people do it on their phones, on their tablets, and those kinds of things. But I'm still old school, and I still use a written list. So that's my tip for today. Hope you liked it. Thank you.